Hey guys, welcome to the Gamers Matrix, and welcome back to another episode of Evil Within! Woo! So yeah, basically we're just continuing where we left off, so we're still in chapter 3. So let's do this. Go, 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 go. I got a shit ton of weapons now, it's awesome. Looks so nasty. Get out of here. Okay, so we need to somehow. Where is he? Set this guy free. But how do we do that? What if I can shoot the chains? Oh my god. I was like, is there someone nearby? Oh my god! Bitch! Don't talk back to me. Get down. Get down, son. Get down! Get down! No, 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 no! You get down! Okay, get down! Get down! Oh, you got a gun! God dang it! Burn! Come on, let me burn you. Oh my god. Can I burn him now? Do I not have enough matches or something? God damn it, I don't have enough matches. I don't have any matches. God dang it. Matches! Yes! Get him! Get him! Get him! Quick! 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 Yes! Burn! Alright, so how am I gonna release him? That's the question, isn't it? Let's try throwing a bomb. Okay, cool. So I set him free. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Oh shit. It's coming. Oh shit. Where is he? There he is! Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit, they're all right here too. Oh crap, what do I have? Nope. Nope. Yes. Oh my god. How am I gonna kill him?
Gotta take this guy down fast.
Fuck. 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 Oh my god. Yes! Oh shit. Damn it! Alright, let's see if I can kill him. I think that's on him. I can't tell. There we go. Crap, I can't get a shot on him. Oh my god. What was that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! There you go, son. There you go. Kill him. Where are they coming from? Fuck. Got that. Oh shit! 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 Flash! Flash! Oh my god, it saved my life!
Gotta take this guy down fast.
Oh my god. Oh god! Oh god, reload! Quick! Quick! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Just barely out of reach! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I killed him! Oh my god, so close! That was so close! What the heck? Oh, I got the chainsaw.
I better hold on to this.
Alright, let's cut this.
Wait! Over here! Wait, officer. You must take me with you.
Detective Castellanos.
Leslie should be just ahead. It is imperative that we find him.
Yes! We're finally done! It was such a bitch to go through. Alright guys, well I hope you liked that. This is a lot of fun. I like this a lot. Please leave a like and subscribe. Comments and suggestions are always appreciated. I'll see you guys later in the gamer life. Until next time, peace.